Hello everybody, Isaac here today again doing another video on cameras. So I bought this camera, Akaso Action Camera EK7000. It says it's got waterproof for a certain amount of feet, it's splash proof, several different things. The remote works 33 feet. So a lot of different options here. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So it was $55 off of Amazon. So I didn't want to spring for a big old fancy GoPro. Those things could $300, $400, $500 or more. So, but I know I've seen a lot of videos of people talking about different things. I've made one or two videos with my phone and it works okay. It's just hard to handle. So we're going to get something, hopefully it's a little bit better. You'll see future videos of this. So let's check this box out. Let's do a little unboxing of my new camera and check it out together. So we're going to move the camera down. Okay, so if you see here, we're going to pull this package off. Throw it out of the way. And just one. Okay, I had to go get something. Okay, so we're going to open this up. I ordered the blue. I thought, you know, there's silver and there's black, but I want something a little bit different. I like color. I like bright colors like yellow and orange. But we are going to figure out how to open this thing up. I didn't want to destroy the box just in case. I got a 3-year warranty on it. It's like $7. So, I mean, it wasn't a ton, but... So, see the little camera here. 4K. It's got its own waterproof case on it, I guess. Now, this one supposedly said that it had a memory card. And I read a lot of reviews, and I thought about getting one with a memory card. That way I wouldn't have to rely on plugging something into it and downloading from it, or some require to go to... you know, they say you could download on YouTube and stuff like that. This one supposedly has features like that. We'll figure that out. So we're going to set that right there. This box, supposedly all the little goodies with it, looks like some kind of a extra cover, back cover. That's what that looks. Probably goes on right there. And looks like a charger of some sort. Battery charger right there. So little batteries in there. Okay, it says it's welcoming us to the club. Akaso, you may know it's pronounced better than that. Anyways, we're welcome to the club. So, got a little battery here. I don't know if it takes 2 batteries or if it got a backup battery. I don't know. Assuming it takes 2 batteries, so they would usually don't send you 2. So we'll find that out. Looks like an extra mount here. It's got the little screw on the bottom to mount it up. That's going to be good for tripods. And, ooh, zip ties. Got to have zip ties. Sticky pads and Velcro and a cleaning cloth. Clean the screen. And got another mount. This one, similar to the one that's on it. Looks like it's a mount up maybe with those Velcro. We can mount that somewhere. Maybe do some future action stuff. This is, oh, like Velcro bands. Those could be wristbands or something, or maybe Velcro to a pole. You never know. Oh, another one. Going around a pipe. Mount to go around a pipe. That's going to be good. Velcro, like a tether strap. Velcro. And what do we have here? This looks like a USB cable. Hook it to a computer or charge it maybe. We'll be reading the instructions later on about that. And another tie-down strap. Hey, you noisy dogs, quit barking. Dogs always got to bark when you're trying to film. Dinah! Noisy little dogs. Anyways, we're going to go to a, looks like we got a extra mount here. This looks like a, ooh, it looks like a sticky mount. Let's check this out. Looks like it's a, yeah, so it's a tacky mount. You're going to stick it to something permanent. And then I'm guessing that this slides into here. But then again, I'm just guessing. I'm just going with a guess. And it doesn't seem like it wants to go in there. Maybe it slides over. We're going to figure that out later. But there's two of those in there. So that would be, you want to make sure that this is going to be where you want it to be, because that ain't going to come off. Then there is the watch, and that's probably what this strap is right here. This watch is supposed to have a photo button and a camera button. So I'm hoping it does play and pause. We'll find out. I'm going to read the directions on this. So this would be interesting to be able to do more filming with. So I'm excited about that. So then we got another mount here. This one has a alligator clip on the bottom of it. So I don't know exactly where this one's going to go. We'll figure that out. Little snap right here. So let's go to, we got another mount here. Goes to, looks similar to this one right here. So, boy, they get a lot of stuff for $55. So hopefully this whole thing is going to be good. They've come a long way in technology, haven't they? More of these tie down, clamp down mounts. So that stuff's looking good so far. So it comes with a, this is what I was wanting to see. It's not a lot of paperwork here. I guess we're going to, okay, there we go. See, it's Apple Store or Google Play. So it's an app we're going to download. And I'm guessing that's going to give us more user-friendly. See, here's a QR code. You could download all these different languages. So I've noticed that lately in the painting industry, a lot of your paints usually have a description on the bottom of them. But the newer paints, they don't put that anymore. They just give you a QR code and you got to go to their website to read it. So I'm kind of old school. I kind of like a paper copy to sit down and flip through, but everything's going digital now. So that's, I guess, what I'm going to have to do there. So anyways, let's look at this camera now. See here, the box. There's nothing else in that box. So apparently it says get started. Peel off film on the camera screen. See, camera lens of the water camera and waterproof case. Make sure battery is full of power for the first time use. Format your SD card not included. That was something I thought came with it, and I guess it didn't. They gave me everything else but an SD card, so I got to figure out. I think when I bought it, it gave me the option of getting one. That's probably why I'm thinking that. So, okay, let's see how to open this up. Got hinges on the bottom, which means this top probably flips up. There we go. Wasn't too hard to figure out. And there is our action camera. So, see if it comes out. I don't know if it comes out. Oh, it is. It's moving. Be careful when you take it out of the package. There it is. Look at that little tiny little camera. So there's a power button on it. 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi. So I guess this activates it there. It's kind of neat that it comes with these cases. Well, I was surprised to see how cheap these things are getting. This one had the best reviews out of all of them that I saw within I wanted something under $100. Something just to get started with, because I didn't want to get really invested in something for now. Maybe later on I may go out. My wife has a really nice camera, one of those DSLRs I bought for her several years ago. But it's a really nice camera, but I was just nervous about using it. That's why I wanted to get something kind of cheap, and plus I don't have to stress about weather, because I was trying to recoat the top of my camper. In a previous video, I kind of gave you a little teaser trailer on that, how I was going to work on that, and just before I get ready to do that, it started raining. So at least with this, I don't have to stress about being caught in the weather. And so looking really forward to firing this thing up. I'll be giving you further videos about this in the future, what I think of it. But so far, everything seems to be pretty nice. So I'll let you know, and maybe if you're think about getting something different. I was surprised my son-in-law had a cheap version of a different brand a couple of years ago. We went to Colorado to go skiing, I was surprised how cheap they're getting. So, anyways, until we talk again, we'll see you guys later. Have fun and stay out of trouble. That's what I always say.